In this presentation, I'm going to tell you about 3 stress relievers you need to learn today. First, let's look at common unhealthy forms of stress relief. It is very important to relieve stress because of its negative impact on your body, but many people practice unhealthy forms of stress relief that are equally negative to your body's health. One of the most unhealthy stress relievers is TV. Though TV is appropriate in moderation, many people watch an unhealthy amount of TV as a way of coping with their stress. Watching this much TV is extremely bad for your health because it promotes a sedentary lifestyle that then supports many illnesses later in life. Another unhealthy stress reliever is unhealthy food habits. Many people overeat when they're stressed out because stress produces cortisol, which increases appetite. Overeating results in illnesses such as diabetes, obesity, and heart failure. On the other hand, stress can cause people to stop eating, which is equally as bad as overeating. Thirdly, many people use alcohol and drugs as a form of stress relief. Using these substances when you're stressed is bad because it often leads to a dependence on them. Now that you know about the 3 most common unhealthy forms of stress relief, let's look at 3 amazingly beneficial forms of stress relief. 1. Get active. The best way to relieve your stress is to get active. Although exercise won't remove the source of your stress, it will relieve the symptoms associated with your stress, which will allow you to feel better, have clearer thoughts, and deal with your problems in a more strategic manner. More so, the hormones that your body produces as a result of stress can be used as momentum for your exercise. This will make the exercises more intensive and transformative to your body. You can pick any form of activity to relieve stress. Dancing, walking, and weightlifting are all great ways to get active and deal with your stress in a healthy way. 2. Drink water. A second stress reliever that many people look over is simply drinking a glass of water. Many of the symptoms of stress can be dulled with water. The reason for this is that water increases energy levels, promotes brain function, and treats headaches. Additionally, drinking water will give you a chance to have a timeout. Instead of looking at a blank screen or thinking about the tasks of tomorrow, take a few minutes to just drink water. To make this moment even more beneficial, take the time to drink slowly and to intentionally breathe. Truly use your water break as a time to push pause on your stress. 3. Meditate. Finally, the third stress relief technique is meditating. Meditating is a great way to control your mind, reconnect yourself, and relieve stress that you have acquired throughout the day. Even the Mayo Clinic endorses meditation as a way of relieving stress. According to the Mayo Clinic, meditation can produce a deep state of relaxation. They suggest focusing your attention to eliminate the stream of jumbled thoughts. These jumbled thoughts create a crowded mind that then promotes stress, which makes it more difficult for you to rationally control your actions and thoughts. As you meditate, you may find the symptoms of stress decreasing, and you may even gain new perspectives on the stressful situation. Both of these effects are very beneficial if you find yourself feeling overstressed.